What's up guys, my name is TJ, I'm the owner here at Sharkey's Detailing and Tint, and today we're going to be showing you a little bit of what goes into one of our most popular protection packages on this brand new Infiniti QX60. Now when you get a brand new car like this, you're going to want to get it protected. That is why this client contacted us and we set up to do a one-step paint correction and a 5-year ceramic coating on the whole car. So basically what this package is going to include is going to be a one-step paint correction that is going to be polishing all of the paint. It's supposed to remove about 70% of scratches and swirls, so it's going to get most of them out. If you want to go crazier, we also do offer 2-step paint corrections that will get 90–95% of everything out, so that would be pure perfection. But for most people, especially with daily drivers, they're going to stick with the one-step correction. So we're going to get started on that. We've already washed the car, so it looks pretty clean, but we're going to do the paint correction first. And then when we move on to the ceramic coating, that is going to be on all of the paint, all of the plastics, this whole grill area and everything, all of the glass. We're going to do the faces of the rims as well. With all that being said, we have a few hours of work ahead of us to make sure this car is looking perfect and protected for the long run. So we're going to take you guys along with us and show you exactly what goes into these packages. This is the side that's already been polished, and as you can see, pretty much near perfect. But as we walk around to the other side of the car, you'll be able to see these scratches and swirls that we're talking about. There's also some water spots, so this one-step correction does a great job of getting things like this out and making the whole car look much better. We've got this half of the car and the hood done already, so we are going to continue on polishing the rest of the car, and then we will meet back with you shortly when we are all set and ready to go for the alcohol wipe.